Our first point of focus is understanding the importance of an all-in-one interactive flat panel. This device is not just a fancy piece of technology, but a powerful tool that can transform the way we learn and work. It's a hub for collaboration, a medium for presentations, and a platform for interactive learning. But, like any other tool, it requires proper management and maintenance to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Now, let's talk about how to manage your all-in-one interactive flat panel. Management involves setting up the device correctly, ensuring its software is always updated, and monitoring its usage. Remember, a well-managed device is less likely to encounter problems and will provide a smoother user experience. Let's move on to maintenance. Regular cleaning is essential to keep your interactive flat panel in top shape. However, you should use only approved cleaning solutions and microfiber cloths to avoid damaging the screen. Also, remember to power off the device before cleaning to avoid any electrical accidents. Another critical aspect of maintenance is dealing with technical issues. If you encounter any problems, don't try to fix them yourself. Instead, contact the manufacturer's customer support or a professional technician. Trying to fix a problem without the necessary expertise can cause more harm than good. Lastly, let's discuss how to maximize the lifespan of your all-in-one interactive flat panel. You can do this by turning off the device when not in use, avoiding exposure to extreme temperatures, and handling it with care. Remember, your interactive flat panel is an investment, and taking care of it will ensure it serves you well for many years to come.